Hey guys, we are back with an argument essay. This essay appeared in India in May 2016. The topic of the essay is research funding. Let's read the question first. The funds for postgraduate research are limited, therefore some people think that financial support from the government should be provided. However, only scientific research should be funded rather than other less useful subjects. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So starting with the introduction paragraph, it will contain the paraphrase of the background statement and the scenario statement, and then we directly state our opinion. Economic assistance by the government is a vital factor in postgraduate research as the finances fall inadequate as compared to the expenses incurred. A section of population believes that this support should only be extended to scientific projects and the rest non-practical subjects should be excluded from the endeavor. I am of the opinion that the financial assistance for postgraduate research should be provided to projects of all subjects irrespective of its relation to scientific or non-scientific background. So now moving towards our first supporting paragraph. To support my opinion, the first idea is to base our justification on benefits of behavioral science, which in turn can help in reduction of crime. Social scientists researching the field of humanitarian situations may provide useful insights into the mindset of criminals. Behavioral study can thereby help in preventing growth of criminal psychology by targeting vulnerable pockets at an early stage. For instance, in 2015 in India, counseling and employment assistance of locals living in high crime areas have helped reduce the crime rate by over 25%. Thus, government funding is a great motivation for such projects which can considerably reduce the crime rates. Now the second supporting paragraph supports our side by explaining the benefits of historical research study. Historical research is another area of great importance as it helps to understand the society of today and what led to its creation. Historical study gives the opportunity to see how daily life has changed over the years and what goes into fostering that change. The past has a huge impact on the future and there is a need for that inspiration to be explored for future generations. Finally, our conclusion paragraph that gives the restatement of the main points of the essay and then reaffirms our stand on the issue. Non-science subjects can play a key role in shaping the society through mannerism study. These subjects are also valuable for their contribution towards study of change from past to present and future. Government funding gives motivation to such projects for achieving greater results and new insights. Therefore, non-science subjects should not be ignored their due share of financial assistance. That's it, friends. Hope you like my essay. Please stay tuned for more such essays and don't forget to like the video.